Bakugo versus Luck Voltia. Two speed demons with explosive power. Who comes out on top? Bakugo's explosion quirk gives him insane speed, flight bursts, and destructive blast power, plus tactical genius. Luck uses lightning magic for ultra-fast movement, deadly kicks, and even rune-enhanced speed in his elf form. Before we continue, hit like and subscribe for more epic anime battles. Bakugo's strategy might hold up early, but Luck's bloodlust and magical adaptability make him unpredictable. Who wins the shocking showdown, Bakugo or Luck? Comment your pick below.